these ones harder, are they, Ghost?
Well, I've got to that sweet spot. One lock is off. Many times, but for some reason just don't click over. Sometimes, I don't know, sometimes it happens. Just don't find that sweet spot, that's all.
Yeah, I don't know how you do it, man. I've tried in single player with gold locks. Fucking hopeless.
Experience.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've been practicing a little bit.
I can
Rusty's,
get the other ones alright.
yeah,
Gold
Rusty's are
locks.
alright. Rusty's are alright, but yeah, golds are fucking hard.
There's only one person I've seen better, well, quicker than Ghost, and that's Pure, and I'm not sure he's fully legit, so...
Yeah, I was always a bit sus on that. I got a feeling before they changed it where you could mash F. I reckon he might have been using a macro or something to mash F.
As soon as they changed it, he stopped playing the game.
Yeah.
Like, literally stopped playing. Haven't seen anyone scum apart from that time he came on.
Because I did try it in single player and it was a lot easier.
Open. Oh.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
it's not. What the fuck?
Oh,
I thought I already took 3 off.
okay, that's weird.
Maybe somebody's in there.
Should be able to pick the door through the window.
You see anyone in there?
No.
What the fuck? If this doesn't happen, I'm sure fucking I took all the locks off.
Yeah.
Oh.
Drop some more bobby pins.
Do you want me to just shoot behind the crates?
I don't have any more. It should be in the backpack. Because I didn't took all.
Oh, okay.
But, I mean... Yeah, let's try.
Yeah, I'll go and grab.
Okay. You fucking putting locks on.
Huh?
Go get
No.
Pure
Open,
and
open,
let's-
open, open, open.
Don't need them.
No, all good.
Holy fucking...
It's all empty, hey?
Not all empty.
No. Oh, yeah. Helmets, night vision. Oh, vests.
There's some shit in here.